Hey, and thank you for joining me on this video today. I wanted to give you a real quick over-the-shoulder demo, walkthrough, and first-person look inside Surge, our beautifully high-performing new Shopify theme. A quick announcement, we are closing the doors to Surge on Friday the 12th at 11:59 Eastern in the evening time. This isn't scarcity, this is real honest. We want to work with the initial founding cohort to perfect and make this theme even better. Yes, we will be opening the doors again. I couldn't tell you exactly when it is. It will be sometime next year, but if you want to jump on Surge now, if you want to get the founder price before we increase the price, and you want to just grab your license, whether you use it now, a month's time, a year's time, then I suggest taking advantage of it after watching this video. But I wanted to give you a real over-the-shoulder look. You join me inside my Shopify dashboard. Here is in my online store, and this is my theme installed. Within seconds of buying Surge, you're going to receive an email. It's going to give you the zip for the variant that you purchase, plus an authentication token that you can input within a matter of seconds, and you'll be up and running, just like I am now. You join me inside the Shopify dashboard. This is what we call our base Surge theme. So this is the generic version. This is the version that is adaptable to any niche, any vertical, but we do have some presets for specific verticals that I will show you shortly in this video. Okay, so you join me inside the editor. The one thing to mention is everything inside Surge is editable. We made it super simple. Let me get rid of these controls. Super simple to edit any single thing inside Surge to adapt it to your niche, including these global settings where you can change the base colors, so you can really quickly at the click of a button turn this from a sort of grayed out generic version to a highly branded version matching your fonts, your colors, your logos, and it takes a matter of minutes. But what's most impressive about Surge is our blocks. Over 40 blocks based on data. Based on 12 years of CRO data, $140 million of winning tests alone last year, all now ready to drag and drop for you inside Surge. So like I say, whether or not you do this today, whether or not you grab Surge today and customize it straight away, or you do it when you've got a bit more time, maybe over the Christmas period, take advantage and grab that copy. Let me show you. Every single element within Surge is editable. You can see all of these options that you can edit, including the padding, the spacing, including the colors, the fonts, the look, the feel, all doable inside a click of a button, but it's all been preset for you. Every page inside Surge is based on winning formulas, winning frameworks, okay? We work with thousands of brands per year. We've been doing this for 12 years. We know what works. We are the first Shopify theme to come with predefined high converting copywriting. So it may look a bit weird, but we're okay with that. Okay, so when you come into Surge, as you see here, a simple way to desired outcome without pain point. Well, that's because we've written content for you that is proven to convert. So take your niche, whatever products you're selling, and change the copy based on that. For example, if I was selling a fitness program, I would come in and say a simple way to lose weight effectively without cutting calories and going to the gym 7 days a week. Something like that, okay? You can see how this copy is then proven to work. You can edit these bullet points, change them to different Google icons. You can change the text. You can change the CTA. We've got a beautiful testimonial above the fold, okay? But let's have a look at where the money is made. These predefined blocks, over 40 of them inside Surge across all pages. You know, we are talking about icons, we're talking about images with icons, before and after sliders showing those results. Now you don't need third-party plugins to have any of this. It's now all built for you to drag and drop. Image sliders, Instagram carousels, logo carousels, okay? Beautiful announcement bars, benefit timelines, comparison tables, FAQ sections, feature sections, product benefits. If I click one, it instantly adds in. I can then go to the editor and edit every single element on here, okay? Imagine having your product or products on a PDP in the center here and then showcasing all of the benefits of that product, okay? Everything in here is built based on data. Everything in here is built on previous winning tests. Every block isn't just guesswork. It's laid out in a particular manner to get you results, okay? We've been doing this longer than anyone. We are the highest rated conversion rate optimization company on Trustpilot for a reason. Okay, look at this: product blocks, shop by category, build a bundle sections that you can build your own bundles without third-party apps, Facebook reviews, results section, TP reviews, testimonials, testimonial videos for your UGC, rich content, and that is just the features on the homepage. Let's switch now to the product page. Okay, if you've seen our demo, there's no way we could possibly have every single it's a default. There's no way we could possibly have every single option turned on inside your product page, but the options are endless. You can come in here and edit everything, edit the benefit driven bullet points, the icons. We can have full images here. We can have circles. We can have circles with text, color circles with labels. No more need for third-party add-ons to do things like this. It's all built within Surge. We can have GIFs on our product page. We can have one-click add-ons on our homepage now without third-party apps. Trust icons, timelines dynamically injected to show when people order, when it's shipped, and when they get it. Okay, all these things have been thought out from a conversions perspective. Testimonials above the fold, trust icons, rows of trust icons, bundle and pack options now inbuilt within Surge. And by the way, don't look at these designs and think this is the final look. Okay, you can go in, customize it, change it based on your brand, and we have best practices, and we also have the community and weekly calls to support you how we do that. Okay, you can add all of these things at a click of a button. No need, like I say, for third-party apps. We're going to save you guys thousands per month. Look at these PDPs, the transformation section with predefined copy, amazing feature blocks and benefit blocks, go left and right, icons with images, comparison tables. Okay, all of this again is draggable, clickable, shoppable images now inbuilt within Surge. TP sections, FAQs, CTAs, you name it. You can drag, drop, edit, remove, do what you want. Everything is customizable. Guys, I could go on for hours, but I want to quickly show you some of the presets. Okay, so when you come to get Surge today, and as I said, make sure you get it before the countdown ends on Friday, because we are closing the doors. When you come onto our page here, have a look at some of our preset templates. So these are preset templates based on popular verticals and niches. Okay, let's have a look at a couple of them. I'm going to click through on a few random ones. Maybe outdoor. Okay, and these are optional extras if you just want a solid start. Okay, you can get the base theme. That's absolutely fine. You can customize it. You can use the global settings to match your fonts, your colors at a click of a button. But if you want, and you are in specific verticals like like a fashion brand, then these will all be set up for you if you choose to add them at checkout. Look at this, fully customizable trust policy bar that we preach about all the time. High converting above the fold with clear titles, social proof, benefit driven bullet points, strong call to action, testimonial, beautiful product images, UGC content below the fold that you can scroll through at a click of a button. Announcement bars, okay, pulling through your reviews, beautiful video sections, highly performing and converting collection pages, clickable, shoppable images. Guys, come on, no other themes has this stuff as default. FAQs, you name it, we've got it. Two things I really want to quickly show you that I didn't show you inside the editor. Okay, mega menus. These are proven to win. If you click your mega menu now, or your hamburger menu, and you've got a plain text mega menu, you are literally leaving money on the table. Okay, these are winning tests time and time again for our customers. Having a bestseller carousel in that mega menu, it's done now by default with Inside Search. You can do this at a click of a button. Okay, beautiful categories with images to draw attention, collapsible menus, pushing those non-monetary links to the bottom, having social proof in that cart as well, in that mega menu. Look at the cart. Now, without a third-party app, you can do free shipping thresholds, gift with purchases inside the cart, discount bars, you name it. Let's go back to the editor. Let's have a look at the settings of the cart drawer, okay? Everything inside this cart drawer now is easily editable. Reserve timers, shipping goals, add-ons within it, discount bars, nice CTAs. You can add trust icons with rows, videos, notes, gift with purchases, you name it. Okay, look at this beautiful variant of the health variant. Okay, look as I scroll down, it's just all pre-designed for you, ready to go. If we click through to the mega menu, PDPs with upsells, dynamic shipping section, UGC content, transformation section, benefits of the product, icons. comparison tables, clickable images, FAQs. Oh my God, I'm going to explode. This is amazing. We've got our tech version. We've got our outdoor version. Again, every single element, every single page, every single item inside search is built to convert based on data, and it's ready to go for you today. Get it before the timer ends, because once that timer ends, we are shutting the doors. I couldn't tell you when we're going to open. It will be next year. Of course, we are going to open again. But you want to get in at this founding price, at this founding license, join our community, get on the weekly calls, let us help you optimize your store and get searched today. Thank you so much for watching.